Welcome back. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services just announcing lower negotiated prices on a slew of prescription drugs, including the weight loss drugs Ozempic and Wegovy. Bertha Coombs has the story for us. Bertha.
Hey, David. There are 15 drugs that were on the list for discounts in Medicare starting in 2027. And on average, the Trump administration negotiated prices that are about 36% below the net price paid by Medicare back in 2024. Now, that compares to about a 22% net discount for the first round of drugs last year. Now, in one key case, the Trump most favored nation price is actually even lower. The IRA price, which was negotiated separately for Novo Nordisk's Ozempic from the MFN deal, is $245. The one negotiated here under IRA was $274, 32% discount. Now, officials at CMS say that the MFN price is going to be the one that prevails. Now, we don't know what those MFN prices are for Pfizer's prostate cancer drug Xtandi, which is one of the most expensive on the list, with a net IRA discount price of $7,000 now for 2027. And AstraZeneca's leukemia drug Calquence, we're not sure if that entered into MFN, but that only saw a net 25% discount. But one of the biggest discounts overall was for one of the most widely used drugs, Glaxo's COPD drug Briolipta, at 67% below that 2024 net price. Now, Novo shares are higher this morning, perhaps in part because the company submitted approval for a higher dose of Wegovy for weight loss. And analysts have said that they may actually gain market share because of the fact that Medicare will now cover weight loss drugs. The other drug makers trading overall is kind of mixed this morning. Teva shares are rising on an EU approval of two biosimilars that it got. Its Austedo drug for involuntary movements like tardive dyskinesia saw a 21% net discount under the IRA price deal. Now, the Trump administration is still trying to push about a dozen more drug makers into its most favored nation program. But for right now, they are using both price negotiation programs to try to bring down drug prices, at least in government plans. You guys?
Okay, thank you, Bertha. Bertha Coombs.